Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can change buttons to gestures navigation in your Nothing CMF phone 1. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on settings like this, click on system, and friends here you can see gestures. Click on navigation mode. You can see there is a gestures navigation. How you can perform these tasks. If you want to go back, then you have to swipe right like this, you can see. And if you want to go to home screen, then you have to swipe upwards. And if you want to go to recent apps that you have opened, then you have to swipe up like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.